The eastern snowstorm this week caused one governor to tell residents to leave snowbound vehicles where they are and to get to safety. New York Governor Bill de Blasio telling New York City residents to leave their cars where they are if they can. He doesn't want people to put the snow from their vehicles back onto the streets while the city is trying to clear up from the blizzard. The House has postponed votes this coming week because of the storm, including one on overriding President Obama's health care veto because of the storm that shocked and socked in the nation's capital.